Sarkar namaskar. Thank you to everybody. Today I'm really grateful to our Buagra. As he has already explained, very brief about me. And as you all know, I have worked for many years, especially for the cause of our people, as a student leader, as a human rights activist, and lastly I joined politics. But my belief always is a unity, because I cry for unity for many, many years. You may all remember when I was TSF General Secretary in Tiprasa, 1996, I think was over. I was a convener, and I called all the leaders, all the regional party leaders, including national party leaders, to 2 days convention in Kamsakupra. Still I remember. That time, 2 days convention, tribal convention in Kamsakupra, Southern North. And all the leaders from different parties had responded. Still I remember Bikarankol, that time is TNB, and TSPP, Deborah Koloi, TUGS, and our Yogis Deborma, even from CPM, Gonapati Porishot, all attended in a meeting. And TSF is the leading for this convention. And I was the General Secretary. There we have a discussion at length, 2 days conference, tribal convention. Even from GMB also some of them attended. Because I believe without unity, we cannot do anything. As we say, united we stand, divided we fall. And Sindh Maharaj is always inviting us to unite together, as Thancha we call. So, first of all, I am really grateful to him for his initiative and for his vision. See, we are a small party, IPFT, Motha, all small party, little party. What is our aim and object? Our aim and object is to unite together and to fight for the cause. As you all know, we have deprived for many years, 75 years we have deprived. And since 2009, we are raising our voice, the separate statehood demand. It is constitutional demand, as you all know. And we realize now, until unless we unite together, our demand, our aspiration will be not fulfilled. Because regional party and national parties was different, day and night. BJP, Congress, CPM, they are all national party. What is the demand? What is the demand of BJP? This is development. Development, everybody wants development. Now BJP is demanding for CAA, NRC, CAA. But our demand is what? Separate state. Triple integrated triple. So our source is different. Our demand is different. Our ideology is different. So until unless we come together, our demand, our aspiration will not fulfill. And as a regional party, what is our main activities? To give pressure to the government. We are like NGO, we are like pressure group. We are not political party. Political party is different. BJP, Congress is different. What is their aim and object? They want to become minister. They want to become MLA. This is their ultimate goal. But our goal is different. Our goal is to achieve something. Not individually, but as a group, as a nation. As Maharaj always stated, we want some solution. Without solution, there will be no any compromise. Therefore, since my childhood, I am working in that line, in that mission. We want some solution, constitutional solution. Therefore, I think our people should be understood. Common people should understand. Because our aspiration, our demand is completely different between National Party and the Liberal Party. Now, IPFT, for example, I was General Secretary of IPFT for 6 years. And I'm the founder of IPFT. But I found, after become alliance in the BJP, our activities become slow. Earlier we have a lot of activities, lot of performance, but after becoming with the alliance government with BJP, our activities, our performance become near to zero. This is what I don't satisfy. As a little party, our movement, our activities should be continued. We have to give pressure. As I told, we are a pressure group. Without giving pressure, our party cannot exist, cannot go on. But as you know, IPFT party now have no pressure, no voice, no performance, no activities. Why people go behind them? Therefore, my intention is, I want to work together, especially with the Bubagara and our bigger uncle, our Siddham Devarma, all senior leaders there. And as I have a little experience as a minister for 4 years, I try to do something extra. But they are all stumbling block. A lot of, problem is there. As you all know, I have put up a lot of issues. Okay, our ultimate goal, our core issue is statehood, the present demand. But beside it, there are some demand. Very, very small demand, simple demand. This also is not fulfilled. See, I am very friendly speaking today. As a tribal development department, I tried my best in 4 years, at least to achieve something. For Thokok Roman script, it's a long demand, long-lasting demand, since 50 years back. I told many times in a cabinet meeting, in the chief minister, this demand is burning issues. The language is burning, sensitive issues. So let at least give something, Thokok Roman script, because it was approved by even many committee. But that thing also cannot be. And I have sent through my office 100 lists to get the new name. Like, for example, Hatai Kotor, Boromar become Hatai Kotor. And now, long time ago, Atramara become Hatuk Bereng. Gonda Tisha like that. I have given 100 lists. Out of 100, only 3. So, and again, we have passed the bill in our cabinet. The name of the district council will be changed, nomenclature, and we have put TTC, Tiprasa Council. It's not done. They have promised us that to increase 30 to 50 seats. Even Chief Minister also agreed. In cabinet also we have approved. ADC should be at least for time being, I'm telling you. This is not our ultimate solution, but at least something we get. From 30 to 50 seats. It is given proposal by tribal department, from my department. And the department should be increased from now around 15, 16 department to become 43 department. Direct funding, all these things have already sent to the central government. It is under consideration. And most importantly, before alliance, we have an agreement, written agreement. The high level committee will be constituted. We have already constituted. 2018, and there is mentioned that within 3 months, this committee report will be placed in the public domain. 4 years pass, 3 years pass, nothing is done. There is no feedback, there is no any improvement. I have asked several times. I met Home Minister, I met Home Secretary, and I tried to pursue what is happening about the committee. high-level committee which is constituted. You have to give a report to us, whether yes or no. There is mentioned that this committee will look after socio-economic and political development of indigenous people of Tripura. Clearly mentioned there. And the committee has came to Tripura twice. We have a meeting also with them. But this is not follow up. I asked many times Chief Minister also. And I told Home Minister, I told Home Secretary regarding this high-level committee, what is happening, whether they exist or not. I have asked a question to them, but there is no reply. So all these things, small thing, is hurting me. Because since I am the fighters, I don't want to stay like that. I want to do something for the people, for the state, but I cannot do it. Therefore, I think the best way is, in my conscience, I feel the Bobagara is an icon of our state, royal icon, everybody know him. So through his leadership, I think we can achieve something. Because we need unity required among ourselves. Therefore, I always appeal to people, even to my party, IPFT. Several times we have a meeting. I raise this voice. See, being a regional party, we have to do something. There's a pressure group. If we cannot give the pressure to central government or state government, then our party become meaningless. So today I am really grateful. It's long I am waiting this right time to join with Motha, and I believe in the days to come, many will follow. I have many contact, and today there are many leaders has joined with me, and from today onward, I'll go to village, I'll go to division level, district level, and I'll collect all the like-minded organizations who are following me. Today I have some list from Julaivari, Subhash Tripura, his leaders. There are 4 persons who joined here. From Bilunia, Swarna Singh Tripura, the division president, Bilunia. Kumarghat, Sugicharan Debarma, the secretary of this committee, he also joined with me, along with 12%. And Paramshwara, Baigamanto Jomatia, the IPP leaders, Samunu, Moina Tripura, and Koi is Vijay Debarma and his group is my own place, Koi is division, all they joined. And from Mandai, Sukumar Debarma is the president of Mandai division, and his team, all they joined here. So like that, almost all the division of IPFT, we have around 34 divisions in existence. 34 divisions have all in existence. Out of that, all divisions, 90% I can say, more than 90% supporters of IPFT have joined now Motha. As we all know, because IPFT is a strong organization, we have a youth wing, we have a student wing, but employee wing, but all employee of IPFT, TNA, is only joined, we march with the IPFT, as Motha. Now, even our student wing, also most of them, they march with the Motha. And our employee, student, youth, almost have their joined the Motha. And now, those have left, some of them they're still left, so I'll go to them. I'll go to their house and I'll consult with them. I have a lot of got called since yesterday. Sir, since you have joined Motha, from next day onward, we also support her from different part of the state. They will join with Motha, and hopefully in the days to come, with the leadership of our Maharaja and our bigger uncle, President, and our Siddham Debarma, senior leader, all of us will work together. But we need teamwork. Team spirit is very important. So I want team spirit, and with the leadership of our Bobagara, I think we can do something. That is what people are expecting. People are hoping. Not only our people, indigenous people or tribal people, but both tribal and non-tribal, both Bengali and Muslim, every community is expecting something from Maharashtra. Thank you very much. See, আমার উদ্দেশ্য হলো থামসা। ইউনিটি ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট। যদি আমরা থামসা না হতে পারে, আমাদের স্বপ্ন পূরণ হতে পারবে না। তো তো মহারাজ থানসা ইউনিটি জন্য ডাক দিচ্ছে। অবশ্যই আমরা এজ এ প্রজা হিসেবে আমরা অবশ্যই মহারাজকে আমরা সাপোর্ট করতে হবে। আপনার নাম?
অভিজিৎ মজুমদার।
অভিজিৎ
মজুমদার।
As I told, any party to exist, to continue, was requirement. Now, at present movement, you have seen, I'm not talking, IPP have no any activities, no pressure, no movement. Then how can people support them? Regional party require always to give pressure, to give pressure to the government. Can IPP can give pressure to the government for the last 4 years? We cannot do any pressure. Why? This is the weakness of the party. Because I'm speaking for the fact. I try to speak something. I try to give some pressure. Except me, who give pressure? Tell me. Who made Home Minister? Who made Prime Minister? I give pressure. Except me, who give pressure? I'm telling you. Now, IPP party, I'm a IPP party, of course, but now I want to say, without no activities, how can I stay there? Our basically the Burma, BLLB, smart fellow, educated fellow, he also came out. What the reason behind? Another Tiprasa, graduate, it's a BA pass, young, energetic, he come out. Why? Myself, I came out for what? Who are remain there, you see them, their background. Frankly speaking, now public is watching. Now the modern age, computer age, social media age, people are watching their activities, their performance. Automatically, they will be rejected.
Yeah, your very different fundamental question. कोई समझता नहीं है। हम लोग कॉकबरा को बोलते हैं नूंबू बागरा नो सिनी आँखों। आप हमको समझे ही नहीं। हम लोग राइट्स के लिए फाइट कर रहे हैं और बहुत लोग पावर के लिए फाइट कर रहे हैं। जिनके पास राइट्स है वो पावर के लिए फाइट करेंगे। PWD, होम मिनिस्टर, CA, राज्यसभा, लोकसभा, जिनके पास राइट्स है वो लोग पावर के लिए फाइट करेंगे। जिनके पास राइट्स ही नहीं है उनको पहले राइट्स के लिए फाइट करना पड़ेगा। जब राइट्स आएगा तब पावर के लिए फाइट करेंगे। लेकिन अगर आपने बिना अपने लोगों को राइट्स देकर खुद का पावर के लिए, इंडिविजुअल पावर के लिए फाइट किया तो पब्लिक विल नॉट एक्सेप्ट। रहा बात यूनिफाइड कमांड का, यूनिफाइड अलायंस का, हम तो फाइट कर रहे हैं। हमने जब से तिपरा मोर्चा शुरू हुआ है तब से तो हम फाइट कर रहे हैं। किसी के संग हमने अलायंस नहीं किया। वी आर फाइटिंग। जो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि हम लोग सबको एक हो, मैं आपको बोलना चाहता हूँ थोड़ा सा अपना घर को ठीक कीजिए। आप अपने घर को पहले ठीक कीजिए। इलेक्शन के बाद देखेंगे किसके पास क्या है। लेकिन जो हमारे 13 लाख तिपरासा को कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अधिकार नहीं देगा, राइटिंग में नहीं देगा, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल सोल्यूशन नहीं देगा फॉर अ डिमांड ऑफ ग्रेटर तिपरा लैंड, तब तक हम लोग कोई भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के साथ अलायंस नहीं करेंगे।